Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watchbox. Today, let's have a fun little chat about two awesome Casio digital watches, the Casio W-217H and the retro-inspired Casio B650W. Casio calls these easy reader watches because they're all about big, clear digit displays. If you like watches that are super simple to read and just work, you'll love this comparison. Now, these watches might seem pretty similar at first glance. They both feature legibility and 50-meter water resistance, and they even share the same 3454 module. But trust me, there are some key differences you'll want to know about before making a choice. So let's dive in. Alright, price-wise, the W-217H comes in at a wallet-friendly $15, while the B650W costs about $23. That $8 bump? It's mostly for the chrome-plated case and stainless steel bracelet on the B650W. It's not a huge gap, but it's worth noting. Let's get into dimensions. The case size is 41.2 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance, that's 43.1 millimeters. Thickness, 10.5 millimeters. And the lug width is 18 millimeters. Weight is about 32 grams. The case and bezel are all resin, even the glass, which makes this watch light and super durable. The shape is a nice rectangular design with rounded corners, giving it a bit of vintage flair. It's got a simple 3-button setup. On the right, there's a button for the amber LED light. On the left, 2 buttons control the start and stop and mode functions. The display is clean and clear, framed by blue accents around the panel. At the top, you'll see the Casio logo in white and alarm chronograph in gold. The bottom has water 50M resist and illuminator printed boldly. On top of the display panel are the indicators for alarm and hourly time signal, followed by the day and date. Below that is the large digits for hour, minute, and second. The resin strap is soft, durable, and should last for years. It's even a bit more flexible than the straps you'd find on pricier Casio models, like the G-Shock. On the back, you've got a stainless steel caseback secured with 4 screws, with all the usual details like the Casio logo, 3454 module number, and water resistance info. The alarm on this module 3454 is loud and clear, making it an excellent choice for everyone, including seniors who may have difficulty hearing softer sounds. Next, the LED light. The amber LED light is bright, warm, and perfect for nighttime use. Now, let's check out the B650W. Dimensions of the B650W. Case size, 41.2 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance, 43.1 millimeters. Thickness, 10.5 millimeters. Lug width, 18 millimeters. Weight, 63 grams. The case construction and dimensions of the W-217H are similar to those of the B650W, with the key difference being that the B650W is 31 grams heavier due to its stainless steel bracelet. The case is resin, just like the W-217H, but here's the cool part. It's got a chrome-plated finish, giving it that shiny, retro vibe. The display layout is almost identical to the W-217H, with the same blue accents, markings, and big digits. The watch features a sleek and intuitive 3-button layout. On the right side, a single button controls the amber LED light, adding a subtle glow when needed. On the left, 2 buttons manage the start/stop and mode functions, providing easy access to key features. The display is clean, with clear, legible digits and framed by striking blue accents that enhance its modern aesthetic. At the top, the iconic Casio logo is displayed in crisp white, complemented by the elegant alarm chronograph text in gold. At the bottom of the display, bold text reads Water 50M Resist and Illuminator, emphasizing its durability and functionality. Above the main display, you'll find indicators for the alarm and hourly time signal, along with the day and date. The large, easily readable digits below show the time in hours, minutes, and seconds, ensuring that you can quickly check the time at a glance. Take note of the display similarities between the two watches here. The bracelet is stainless steel in a brick style, which is such a classic look. It's 22.6 millimeters wide at the lugs and tapers down to 15.6 millimeters at the clasp. I purchased this watch several years ago, and I've noticed a stain on the bracelet. I hope it's not rust. The bracelet has folded links, which keeps it lightweight while still feeling solid. On the back, you'll find a stainless steel caseback secured with 4 screws, featuring all the essential details, including the Casio logo, the model number B650W, the 3454 module number, water resistance information, and other markings. Due to the use of a similar module, the alarm sound is just as clear as that of the W-217H. Just like the W-217H, the amber LED light and alarm are reliable and practical, thanks to the 3454 module. Alright, let's break it down into a quick comparison between the Casio W-217H and the Casio B650W. so you can decide which one suits you best. First, price. The W-217H is super affordable at $15, while the B650W is a bit pricier at $23. That difference? It's mainly because the B650W has a chrome-plated case and a stainless steel bracelet, whereas the W-217H is all resin. Next, weight. The W-217H is incredibly lightweight at 32 grams, while the B650W is 63 grams, almost double. That's thanks to the stainless steel bracelet on the B650W. For materials, the W-217H keeps things simple with an all-resin case and strap. The B650W steps it up with its shiny chrome-plated case and brick-style stainless steel bracelet, which has that classic retro vibe. And speaking of retro appeal, both are vintage-inspired, but the B650W's chrome finish and bracelet really make it pop, giving it a more distinct retro charm. So, it boils down to this. If you prefer a lightweight, no-fuss watch, go for the W-217H. But if you're into a sleek, retro look with a little more weight and flair, the B650W might be your pick. Both are awesome watches with the same key features, but it's all about which style and feel you prefer. Final thoughts. So, which one should you pick? If you're after something lightweight, simple, and super practical, go for the W-217H. But if you want a watch that's got a bit more style and retro flair, the B650W with its chrome finish and stainless steel bracelet is the way to go. Both models share all the same core features: 50-meter water resistance, 7-year battery life, stopwatch, auto calendar, alarm, hourly signal, and 12 24-hour formats. What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time. They're also perfect for any wrist size, but they do have a bold presence, especially on smaller wrists like my 6.5-inch wrist. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. That's it for today's chat. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite: the lightweight charm of the W-217H or the retro coolness of the B650W. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Your support helps me keep bringing you these reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.